Hey there. Hey guys, what's up? I'm actually at my sister's house right now. So yeah, I'm sorry if
I'm actually chilling.
Yeah. Hi, there's my nephew. His name is Israel Kitten. I can't show you his channel thing right now, but I'll leave a link in the description below, and also be in comment in the comment section where I can listen to Rando Dash and Kitten. And remember that, comment if you want to see more Rando Dash or Kitten. And I'll do that. I might actually, if I might, for my next video, I might actually have like this. Don't ask. What if there's an action like that? I mean, I'm probably gonna have it back and forth in the vids. So just ignore it. But yeah. Okay, that's bad. But like, whenever my hair is out of place, it makes my head hurt so bad for some reason. But I don't pay the attention to it. I'm gonna take that on. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Is it turn that up? Yeah, that's his game thing. His name's Stickman Gun, right? Wait, that's what it's called, right? I forgot.
Stickman Gun.
Yeah, if any of you guys like ask me to watch me, just ask my vlogging video. I haven't finished watching it yet, but I'll finish watching it in a little bit. I'll change my tab anyways. I have so many crap. I have so many notifications. I get lots of notifications. But yeah, no, I'm joking. Guys, you want to say something?
Hi.
What's wrong? Look at the screen. My gosh. Sorry, my thumb was covering it. Yeah. Got my phone. Here. That's my baby. But yeah, I got a shower like a while ago and stuff. So yeah, comment if you want to see more MC, and I will definitely do it because I have this like thing, like I have this like try and get it. See, that's a keypad. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try and watch that or something. But yeah, my phone's only at 44%. What? Oh, stupid phone. I'm using on my apps. It's at 44%. And then up here at the top, it's trying to make sure it's in the red. Here. It's at 44. Oh, stupid phone. Stucking on my red. So it's at 44%. Can't know if you can see that now, but yeah, it's at 44%. And then here's the time for me up there, and then this YouTuber that I really like called DanGDM. And then here's a picture I took of Minecraft. Don't ask, it's annoying. Hey, what is my background? Because I love Minecraft. Even my favorite shape is a circle. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this here. See you guys later. Yo, subscribers, subscribe to him. He needs support. Yeah, I'm way older than him. He's only like 8. Oh, little kids. I like doing that. It's fun. But yeah, bye guys. And if you're watching this, you don't need to subscribe to him. What? She hates you. Ivy hates you. See you guys. Well, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, bros. But actually, I won't technically see you guys. Okay, well, lots of YouTubers say that. But I'm pretty sure you all know what that means. I'm pretty sure you all know what that means. See you guys in the next video. Well, I won't, technically, like, visually see you. Because that would just be weird. But, like, you'll see me in my next video. Trying to play games. Oh, I don't know. I might down, I mustn't. Oh. I'm supposed to be getting a home at 3, and they put on the paper, like, 3:48 for the bus to pick me up to come home. No way that's happening, because it's the middle school. We have to come home at, we have to be home at 3 though. He's going into like first grade, I think it is.
No, second.
Second, yeah, that's right. He's only like.
She did it on purpose.
No, I actually forgot.
Yeah, right.
Don't judge my hair. I like my hair. Yeah.
I'm about to get my hair dyed red.
He's gonna get his hair dyed red. I have hair chalk. I'm actually gonna wear that for the next vid to show you guys. No, I'm not doing my bangs, guys. I have hair chalk. Let me actually dye my hair. His mom doesn't want to bleach his hair, or does she? I don't know. You have to bleach your hair. You have to bleach your hair to get it dyed a permanent color. I just like the hair chalk. But my favorite color is black, and there's already this thing called black hair. My hair actually turns black when it's wet, and it's kind of damp right now. Oh, it's annoying. Yeah, it's just me. My armpits are so itchy because I'm growing a little bit of hair on them. But guys, look at my muscle watch. Ready? So I won't even try watch. I literally don't watch. My arm just flopping, see?
Oh, the muscle under you. That's absolutely hilarious.
No, ready? Just look down here. Ready?
Ooh, a sniper.
Yeah, look at my muscle, guys. I have a big muscle. I can lift 20-pound weight, bro. And I'm only 11. I'm working on getting 25.
Alright, what's your favorite gun out of this? What's your favorite gun for the minigun, for the pistol?
Guys, comment what your favorite gun is, but, I'm gonna say mine. I'm gonna pause this because I don't want you guys to hear it, because then you'll probably, if you guys, like my vids, then you guys will probably, be able to say, want it the same, so, okay, we're good. Mine is the AWP, because it looks cool. In my opinion, okay, guys? You don't have to have that, but...
Oh.
Yeah, he's one of my subscribers. He can be annoying. I'm gonna have to live with him over the summer. Not the summer, I mean, school, yeah. I need a flash drive, and so does he, and I don't know
Good
why you don't
choice.
need a flash drive in
Good
second
choice.
grade.
Oh, look. Good choice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hit 2 shots.
Uh-oh,
Double
it kills double kills, too. That's epic, but yeah.
Bang!
I'm not in that stuff like he is. I just like doing gaming and stuff.
Bang!
And on my Xbox Daily, it's conducing Leaf. If you guys have an Xbox One and want to friend me, Ivy, and her friends, if you guys watch my videos,
Ooh.
then, you guys are already friends with me, though. Just tell them that to my subscribers. He's also my friend on Xbox. But yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.